Today, I'm going to show you how to create a hanging text effect in GIMP step by step, even if you're completely new to the software. This is a really fun effect for posters, thumbnails, banners, social media graphics, and any design where you want your text to look like it is suspended from above. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up your canvas, separate each letter, rotate them for that hanging look, and add strings to make the effect feel realistic. If you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GIMP and create a new canvas by going to File, then New. Choose your size based on your project, and for this example, a 1920 by 1080 canvas is a great starting point. After that, fill your background with a solid color, so your hanging text has a clean base to stand out against. A simple dark or neutral background often works best, especially if you want the strings and letters to pop. Now it's time to add your text. Select the Text tool by pressing T on your keyboard, then choose a thick, bold font like Impact or Sans Bold. Thick fonts work best for this effect because they're easier to cut apart and they hold up well once rotated. Type your word or phrase, then scale it up so it fills the canvas in a balanced way. If needed, reposition it so it sits nicely in the center. Once your text is in place, you need to convert it from editable text into a regular pixel layer. To do that, right-click the text layer in the Layers panel and choose Discard Text Information. This is an important step because it lets you edit each letter individually instead of treating the whole word as one single text object. Next, we need to isolate each letter. Select the Rectangle Select tool by pressing R and draw a box around just the first letter of your word. Make sure the selection is clean and only includes the letter you want to separate. Then press Ctrl and X to cut it, and Ctrl and V to paste it back. At this point, GIMP will create a floating selection. To turn that floating selection into its own layer, click the green Create a New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers dialog. Once it becomes its own layer, rename it so you can keep track of everything easily, such as letter H, letter A, or whatever letter you're working on. Repeat this process for every letter in your word until each one has its own independent layer. This part can take a little time, but it's worth it because it gives you full control over the hanging effect. Now comes the fun part, creating the actual hanging look. Select the first letter layer and choose either the Unified Transform tool with Shift and T or the Rotate tool with Shift and R. When the transform box appears, look for the small crosshair icon in the center. This is the pivot point, and it's what makes the letter look like it's hanging from the top instead of rotating from the middle. Drag that pivot point to the very top center of the letter, right where you want the imaginary string to connect. Then click and drag slightly to rotate the letter left or right. You don't need a huge angle here. A small tilt is usually enough to make it look natural, like the letter is gently hanging and swaying. Once it looks good, apply the transformation. Now repeat that for every letter, but vary the angles a little. Some letters can tilt left, some can tilt right, and some can stay closer to straight. That randomness is what makes the effect feel realistic instead of too perfect. After the letters are rotated, it's time to add the hanging strings. Create a new transparent layer at the top of your layer stack and name it Strings. This keeps your strings separate and easy to manage. Select the Paths tool by pressing B, then click once near the top edge of your canvas to create the ceiling anchor point, and click again at the top center of the first letter. Once the path is in place, go to the Tool Options panel and choose Stroke Path. Select Line Style, set a thin width like 2 to 4 pixels depending on your canvas size, and use a color like black, dark gray, or metallic gray for a believable string look. Then stroke the path to draw the line. Repeat this for each letter so every character looks attached to the top of the canvas. Make sure the lines are aligned well so the effect feels intentional and clean. If you want to take it one step further, you can add realism with a drop shadow. First, merge your letters into one layer if needed, then go to Filters, Lighten Shadow, and choose Drop Shadow. Add a subtle offset so it looks like the letters are floating slightly away from the background. Keep the shadow soft and not too strong, because the goal is to enhance the hanging effect, not overpower it. You can also zoom in and add tiny hooks or connection points where the strings touch the letters. A small, hard brush with a few dark dots or little anchor details can make the design feel much more finished. These tiny touches really help sell the illusion and make the artwork look more polished. And that's it! You've now created a hanging text effect in GIMP from scratch. You learned how to set up your canvas, separate each letter, rotate them individually, draw hanging strings, and add realistic finishing touches. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy GIMP tips and creative design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.